All right, let's talk about two of the biggest buzzwords out there, AI and sustainability. Today, we're going to cut right through all the noise. We're moving beyond the hype to see how artificial intelligence is actually becoming this super critical tool for building a greener, more efficient, and yeah, even a more profitable business world.
You gotta ask, right? Is sustainability just another word that big companies like to throw around in their marketing? I mean, we hear them talk about their green initiatives all the time, but turning those big promises into real, measurable action, well, that's where things start to get pretty tricky.
And this leads us straight into what you could call the sustainability squeeze. This is really the core problem that so many businesses are wrestling with right now. Think about it. It's like a perfect storm. On one side, you've got governments breathing down their necks, demanding these super detailed, audit-ready compliance reports. And then on the other side, you have customers and investors who are, voting with their wallets. They're choosing to back companies with a solid ESG track record that's environmental, social, and governance. So you've got this massive pressure coming from absolutely all sides. And look, this isn't just a feeling or a trend. The numbers really back this up. A recent study found that a whopping 71% of companies now say that managing and reporting their ESG data is a high priority investment area. So this isn't just talk anymore. Real money is being put behind this. But here's the catch. Even with all that money and all the good intentions in the world, there's a huge problem. The old school ways of managing sustainability, they're just not cutting it anymore. They're basically breaking down. For years, this whole process has been a mess, right? It's been a patchwork of endless spreadsheets, confusing email chains, and just mind-numbing manual data entry. It's slow, it's reactive. But the AI-driven approach, that's a whole different ballgame. It's automated, it's proactive, and it lets you make smart decisions right from the very start. There's this really important idea in engineering called the McCleamy curve. And what it basically shows is that making changes, especially big sustainability changes, is super cheap and easy at the beginning of a project. But the further you get, the more insanely expensive and difficult it becomes. The old way always waits way too long to act. So what you end up with is this massive bottleneck. It's a paradox, really. Companies have more data than they know what to do with, but they're so buried under this reporting burden that they can't get any real insights out of it. They're just stuck in this cycle of compliance, not creating actual value. And this is where AI steps onto the scene. And look, it's not some magic wand that fixes everything instantly. Think of it as a powerful set of tools that can directly tackle all those bottlenecks and problems we just talked about. This is the big transformation we're talking about. We are shifting away from just, filing a dusty report on what happened last year and moving towards having a live, intelligent system that can actually predict risks and help guide decisions as they happen in real time. A great way to think about it is that AI acts like a co-pilot. It handles all the tedious, repetitive work, gathering data, checking it, flagging risks from thousands of sources. And that frees up the human experts to do what they do best. Focus on strategy, on innovation, and on making those big picture decisions that have a real impact. Okay, so enough with the theory. This stuff isn't just a concept for the future. AI is already being used in some absolutely fascinating ways, right now, across a ton of different industries. So let's look at some real-world examples. I mean, the applications are all over the place. We're seeing it used to monitor these huge, complex global supply chains for ethical risks, all the way down to redesigning tiny little building components to save a bit of material. It works at both the huge macro level and the tiny micro level. And there's this whole ecosystem of new tools popping up. You've got platforms like Autodesk Forma that help architects make way smarter decisions right at the start. Then there are tools like MakerSite that can build a digital twin of a product, a complete virtual copy to analyze its entire environmental footprint before a single physical thing is ever made. It's pretty incredible. So let's zoom in on one really specific, critical area, embodied carbon. This is basically all the CO2 that's released just to make and transport the materials for a building. And just to give you some context, producing a single metric ton of steel can pump out anywhere from 1 to 3 tons of CO2. It's a huge source of emissions. And this is where it gets absolutely mind-blowing. AI is now being used to rethink and redesign something as basic as the way 2 steel beams connect. It can run through thousands, even millions of design variations to find one that uses way less steel, which directly slashes that embodied carbon, and it does it all while making sure it meets every single safety standard.
And it's not just about what things are made of, but how they run. In one case study, a commercial real estate developer used AI-powered autonomous agents to manage their building systems. The result? A 30% cut in their energy consumption. In just 1 year. That's a massive win. So, of course, this all brings us to the big question, the bottom line. This all sounds great for the planet, but does it actually make business sense? Are these just feel-good stories, or is there a real, tangible return on investment?
Well, the numbers here are pretty staggering. A really deep study by the research firm for Dantex found that putting these AI-driven sustainability platforms into place delivers an average return on investment of almost 180% over just 3 years.
180%. That is a huge return. And you might think it takes years to see that kind of payback, right? Nope. The study found that companies typically hit their break-even point in just 8 months.
So you have to wonder, where is all that value coming from? Well, get this. An incredible 80% of those financial benefits come directly from employee time savings. It's from automating all that manual data collection and reporting we talked about earlier. It just frees people up to do more valuable work.
So where is all of this headed? You know, the real power of AI isn't just about making the things we already do a little bit better. It's about unlocking a scale of change that, honestly, was just unimaginable before.
I love this quote from a researcher because it just captures the vision perfectly. Instead of thinking in terms of small, one-off projects like making one house more energy efficient, AI lets us think systemically. It opens up the possibility of renovating thousands of homes for energy efficiency every single day. The scale is just completely different. So, the technology is here. It's moving from being a buzzword to a solid business case. AI is giving us the intelligence, the speed, and the sheer scale we need to tackle some of our biggest sustainability challenges. It offers us the blueprint. The only question left is, are we ready to start building?